Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it, the old slime. So here's my old slime. This slime, I love this color. And it spit all my rags, but that's okay. I just clean up my disgusting towel. And so here is my old slime that it's not clumping together. And somebody says, oh, if you guys have those kind of slime, if the smarter people are gonna activate it, but the people that don't know how to activate it, they're gonna throw this out. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to activate it, how to fix this slime. So here I have this water. So don't add rags or something. So here's my Brax water. So add it a little bit at a time, and then slowly stir it together. So you will see there's clumping together, but I think you have to add a lot of Brax. It get together. Don't forget, after you use the Brax, you have to wash your hand. My friend told me that. She's Evelyn, and she's so smart, and she's my BFF forever. It might sound so weird because I got a coughing, but that's okay. Not actually coughing, like cold or something. So when I get a little bit sick, not really sick, just I don't know. I drink too much cold water yesterday. So starting when you adding Brax in it, it's like it's starting clumping together like this. So this is a good thing. So keep stirring. You have to stir it. Okay, keep stirring it. So actually, this slime my friend gave it to me. You guys don't know. It's Daisy. It's also my BFF. My BFF is a regular friend, not good that much. I'm really thankful for that. And also, why Evelyn was win the giveaway? Cause she is my best friend. One reason. Second reason is everything she wanted, I will give it to her. Cause that's what BFF do, right? That's what I ever do. So I just intended to let her win the giveaway cause she was new to the channel. So let her win the giveaway so she can make a video and have more subscribers. What something that she wants, if I have it, I will give it to her. And yeah. So just keep adding with it. So there's a lot of reasoning. She's my best friend more than everyone because look, yours clumping together. Oops, they're falling on the floor. Careful, don't let them falling on the racks. It's hard to clean. Clumping together. And just keep adding Brax in there, so it's gonna be clumping together really good. So yeah, I'm just looking at this. I can't really show this one by one cause. Okay, so I actually touching Brax, but it's okay if you're touching Brax. After you're touching the Brax, just go wash your hand immediately without causing doubt. So after you can check at the beginning of this video. The beginning is like liquidy slime. And very nice. It's clumping together. It's very good. So yeah. It's gonna be having a little bit sensitive. It's like smell a bit bad, but it still can play with it. I still can play with it. Because I'm a long time I didn't play this slime, so that's why it's like starting to. So it's starting to melt it, like turn to liquid. And don't let this to a really hot place. So careful, my bowl is just falling on the floor. And right now it's getting harder with clumping it. because I had too much borax. But it's okay. Actually, I fixed it, right? So in a long time, I'm gonna put my bigger slime. Probably gonna put this in my bigger slime. So yeah. So let's put this in my bigger slime. Okay, my bigger slime's just okay. I just see it. Look, this is so big. My bigger slime smells so good because I have so many shaving cream. I'm probably gonna put this in my bigger slimes. Should I? I only have this one slime. Should I put it? Yeah, I should have put it. I think I want to put it. Or did you guys want some? Evan, do you want some of the slimes? I could give you some, then put it.
I only have first one.
So I'm gonna put it. So here I'm gonna put in my bigger slimes and leave some of it. So it's probably some Evelyn gonna want some. So I'm just gonna put some. So it's turning hard right now. The slime get crumbly. Look. Get two colors. Probably gonna add some water. Oh my god, this giant bags I can't hold. I also have this. I only have so little slimes right now. So I'm probably gonna maybe, not really. Maybe I will give away this giant batch of slimes I don't like anymore. Probably, maybe. I'm not sure. I should give it right now because I really wanted to keep it. If you guys very good to me, like with commenting, I will think to give it away. So okay. So right now the texture is okay, but I'm gonna add some water to this bowl. Like this much. I think this is good. Then just slowly pour them in. And then smooching it with your hand. Sorry if I keep it like that because my throat is so hurt. Every single time, I don't know, it's itchy, but I don't want to coughing it, so see. If you don't like to hear those voices, just make your volume less, so you're not gonna hear that or laughing about it. So yeah, I just fixed my slimer. This is so crumbly, so I have to let it fix by himself. So you know what? Leave this for a while. So struggling. It's like hitting the ball. So good. It's so good. I don't know why. I think I'm gonna add more water into here later. Probably gonna later because it's too heavy. Thank you. Oh my god. I can't hold it actually. I put like 100 of those little containers of slime. So I'm gonna put this seal up. I'm gonna put this slime in here. Oops. Keep that little batch. Then put this in. Close this up. So this is how to fix it, old and liquidy slimes. So please give this video a thumbs up and share this to the friend. And subscribe if you like this video. Hey, bye. I have to clean this area up. But yes, better. Bye.